Presenting Sanyo 43-inch Kaizen Series 4K Ultra HD Smart Certified Android LED TV in the color black. This TV is also available in the size variant of 55-inch. This Sanyo 4K Ultra HD LED TV features 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz for a delightful experience. The LED TV with super bright display HDR10, HLG, 1.07 billion color display and micro dimming technology lets you have an immersive viewing experience. The maximum viewing distance of this Sanyo TV is 7 feet. Powered by Android Pie 9.0 operating system, the Sanyo Kaizen series is Google certified and features Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube applications. This TV also features Chromecast built-in. This smart LED TV has 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 20-watt audio output with Dolby audio, digital sound processing, superior audio speaker and two-way audio link provide you clear and enticing musical experience. This TV features audio link Bluetooth technology to connect your phone with TV. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, one tabletop stand, one wall mount bracket, one user manual, one warranty card, and one remote control. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.